guys, it's Iqra and well, actually I'm not Iqra, I'm Yasmin from Bratz, and this is so exciting. This is like the first challenge. I need to stop doing this, but this is like the first challenge I've ever done on YouTube and I'm pumped. It took me a good like 30 minutes trying to find the right Bratz picture to recreate, and I felt like some of them just didn't resemble me, but when I saw this one I was like, perfect, right? Well, I'll accept the barrettes. I don't have green barrettes, but we're gonna make do with black. I feel like once I put the eye makeup on, I'm gonna look absolutely ridiculous and I don't want anyone to judge me. Which one of the Bratz Doll was your guys' favorite? Like mine was Chloe, the blonde one. I don't know why, but she was always my favorite. Barbies too. Barbies were cool though. Barbies were like but like Bratz dolls were like everything. Like if you had a Bratz doll back in elementary school, you were the cool kid. She has a perfect face, I do not, so we gotta get there. Okay, I'm gonna put on some blush and then we're gonna do the eyes. Looks like she has her blush brought out a lot. So far so good, I think. On the right track. Okay, now for eyes. Looks like she has this aquamarine tone on her lids, and then in the crease it's like kind of smoked out black. So I'm gonna try to mimic that, and she has like wings on. She doesn't really have, she has like eyeliner on, but it's mainly mascara that's just like, you know, lifting those lashes. It's time to the eyes. Just gonna take burnt orange from the Modern Renaissance palette, work that into my crease. I feel like this is shedding and I can see like the little fur-like things just floating around in the air. Grab my what palette? Oh, 350 Morphe 350. Don't have a code with them, not sponsored. Obviously. I'm gonna do it really faint because in the picture you could barely even see it. So I feel like I'm just gonna leave it at this. Have you guys watched the show You? I finished and started the show yesterday, and you know, at first I really liked it, like the first few episodes, and then it got like really boring and I had to skip through the last few episodes because I kind of just wanted to see what happened at the end, even though I read spoilers, and a lot of my friends told me what was gonna happen, but I don't know. I wasn't like blown away. If you guys have seen it, not to spoil anything, but what did you think of it? I don't know if I'll watch the next season. If you guys are new to makeup and you want to like play around with looks, I 100% recommend this palette. It's just so easy. Oh, there she is. Oh my god. Oh, I just packed it on, honestly. It looks really messy, but I'm gonna fix all this. Gonna blend this in at the top. Oh, I look ridiculous. I've hit a low in my life. I don't usually wear this color on my eyes like ever. So I'm glad I had the opportunity to do that. You know, if you go all the way back here, it doesn't look so bad. You need like amped up lashes, so I'm probably gonna put on 15 coats of mascara. My eyes hurt. Oh god, it's kind of really hot in here. So in the picture, she's wearing like kinda light pink lips with like a little highlight in the middle, and her lip liner is darker than her actual lips, which was, you know, the thing back then. This like needs to be sharpened, but I don't have time for that. I don't know how to overdraw my lips, but their lips are huge and I don't want to look stupid, so I'm not gonna overdraw my lips. Okay, my lip liner is like running out and it's not that much darker. Now I need to find an obnoxiously pink color. Okay, I think I found it. I'm gonna be using this one. This is the perfect time to use this. This is all from Physicians Formula. Oh, this is perfect. I feel like I lost most of the lip liner, so I'm probably gonna have to go back in. I don't freaking know how to line my lips. Do you guys line your lips? Like, let me know, because I don't line my lips. In the middle, she has like a little shine going on. Oh my gosh, I did that. My lips don't even look blended. Hers is like really shiny. I feel like I lost it when I tapped it in. I'm gonna put a little bit more on. I need to do highlight, but Yasmin also has that under eye beauty mark right here. Wait, it would be on this side for me, I think. Just to make it a little more natural and not like black. There we go. I'm also going to be taking some white and just like putting it on the corners, the inner corners, to make my eyes look bigger. Okay, if it looks a little messy, it's okay. We're gonna go in with highlighter and fix all of that. This lip topper does not taste good. She has an extreme highlight going on and it's like brought out to her cheekbones. I went ham with the highlight because she has a very button nose. I do not. Hey guys, I feel like this is the finished look. I'm gonna be here. Yasmin's gonna be here. I look kind of scary. Yeah. The lips are obviously not blended, but I wanted them to be nice and bright like Yasmin's. The eyes. It's a look. I can get with it. Let me know in the comments if you think I look like her or if I failed tragically. I honestly don't think I look too much like her, but I don't think I failed. I think I got some points for some of the things that I have going on. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel so you get notifications when I post a new video, and don't forget to check me out on my social media. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Hope you guys have a great day and don't forget to see you there. Bye!